Hi, my name is Nas. If you wanted to learn about writing in Swift, how to develop apps for Apple, and learn some programming fundamentals, this is the channel for you. I'm inviting you to subscribe now, and I will be uploading more videos in the future. This video is one of many videos that I will make based on the Xcode Help documentation. Some people do not like to read the help documentation. Instead, go on YouTube for video walkthroughs. I made this video so that people will have the video option of the help documentation. When you create an Xcode project, you first choose a template for a common style of app or framework. Then you modify the project as you like. Xcode templates include essential project configuration and files that help you start developing your app quickly. Launch Xcode. And in the Welcome to Xcode window, click Create a new Xcode project. Alternatively, choose File, New Project. In the sheet that appears, select the target operating system or platform. Under Application, select a template, then click Next. For example, to create an iOS app with a single empty view, select Single View App. For macOS apps, select App. To create a watchOS app that runs without a companion iOS app, select Watch App. In the sheet that appears, fill in the text fields and choose options from the pop-up menus to configure your project. You must enter a product name and organization identifier to continue to the next sheet. You should also enter an organization name. The bundle identifier that appears below the organization identifier is derived from the product name and organization identifier by default. From the Theme pop-up menu, choose your theme. To add an account, click the Add Account button if it appears. Optionally, skip this step and assign a theme to your project later. From the Language pop-up menu, choose a programming language. From the User Interface pop-up menu, choose an interface option. To use Swift UI, first choose Swift as the programming language, then choose Swift UI as the interface. To add test targets to your project, check the Include Unit Tests and Include UI Tests boxes. Click Next. A sheet asks you where to save your project. Specify a location for the project. Optionally select Create Git repository on my Mac to use source control, then click Create. Then the main window for your project appears. The product name is the name of your app as it will appear to customers in the App Store and appear on the device when the app is installed. The product name cannot be shorter than 2 characters and cannot be longer than 255 bytes. The product name should be similar to the name that you enter later in the App Store Connect. The organization identifier is a reverse DNS string that uniquely identifies your organization. If you do not have a company identifier, use com.example, followed by your organization name, and replace it later. The organization name in your project is the name that appears in boilerplate text throughout your project. For example, the organization name is used in the source and header file copyright strings. The organization name in your project isn't the same as the organization name that you enter later in App Store Connect. A bundle ID uniquely identifies a single app throughout the system. The bundle ID string must contain only alphanumeric characters, hyphen, and period. The string should be in reverse DNS format. Bundle IDs are case sensitive. The bundle ID must match the bundle ID you enter in App Store Connect. After you upload a build to App Store Connect, you cannot change the bundle ID or delete the associated explicit app ID in your developer account. You just watched one of the series of videos of the Xcode Help documentation. Please subscribe and click the alarm icon to receive updates on new videos on this channel.